So you want to monitor and audit file access and access attempts across your Windows servers? You're absolutely right. It's an efficient way to protect your sensitive data and enforce compliance to industry regulations. With its intuitive Windows 8 style interface, FileAudit is the easiest way to monitor who did what, when, and from where, and is already used by hundreds of security-conscious organizations across the world. It provides comprehensible, sortable, and real-time information across your organization and significantly reduces the workload related to monitoring file access. Real-time alerts to predetermined events such as a denied access, a file deletion, or monitoring a suspicious user automatically triggers an email to selected recipients, enabling a quick reaction when necessary. Whether stored on Windows servers or in the cloud, FileAudit gives you a consolidated view of your hybrid environment. Colleagues across your organization can also receive, on email, customized reports according to their specific criteria. FileAudit also allows you to report on file and folder NTFS permissions and properties. In fact, it's so easy and intuitive, even non-IT executives and external auditors can use FileAudit securely and autonomously without breaching security protocols. In this way, monitoring can be delegated to non-IT colleagues who hold a better understanding of files and folders across their business line to ensure a more efficient and effective auditing system. Easy to use, it's just as easy to configure. Install in less than 3 minutes, just select the files you intend to audit and you're up and running. Don't take our word for it. Download now the fully functional free trial and see for yourself how easily FileAudit can bring a new level of security to your Windows file servers.